In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in ClickUp. If you're managing projects with tasks that need to happen in a certain order, dependencies help you keep everything flowing smoothly. A dependency tells ClickUp that one task can't move forward until another task is finished. The waiting on relationship is perfect when task B shouldn't start or complete before task A is done. Let's walk through the exact clicks to set this up, with tips to keep things clear and organized. First, head to ClickUp. Open your workspace in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you work across multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one that contains the project you want to update. Having the right permissions is important here, since dependencies affect how your team works with tasks. Next, choose the space that holds your project and open its lists. In the sidebar, locate the space name and select it so you can see the lists inside. Lists are where your tasks live, and setting dependencies at this level keeps everything easy to find later. If your space has several lists, it's a good idea to identify the exact list or lists that contain the task you plan to link, so you can quickly search and select them in the next step. Now, click on the three dots next to the space name to open the space menu, then click on Dependencies. This opens the area where you can manage dependency relationships for tasks in this space. Think of it as the control panel for linking tasks. If you've never used it before, don't worry, the interface is straightforward, and you can always edit or remove a dependency later if you make a mistake. From here, click on Add Waiting on Task. You'll choose the task that is waiting, then select the task it depends on. Use the search field to find tasks quickly, and make sure you're selecting the correct items, clear task names, and including the list in the title can help avoid confusion. When you confirm, ClickUp links them with a waiting on dependency. You'll see a small dependency indicator on the task, and you may get a warning if you try to complete the dependent task before its prerequisite is done. This makes it easy to spot blockers and prevents work from slipping through the cracks. That's it. You've added a dependency that keeps your schedule realistic and your team aligned. As a best practice, review your lists to ensure every task that can't proceed alone is marked as waiting on the right prerequisite. It'll pay off when timelines shift because you'll immediately know what's impacted. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in ClickUp.